Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your ON 4K remote to your TV. Now, this is really easy to do. If you go up to your ONN 4K device, there should be a little button you can press by the HDMI cable. So if I press this, it'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So let's do that now. So go up to your device and press that button, and it should activate this mode. So you might have to press it down for like maybe 3 or 4 seconds. So let's do it one more time. So let's press this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So on our screen now, when this pops up, all we have to do is press those 2 buttons on the remote. So you can see the home button and the back button. So let's press these 2 down right now. And this should sync up and pair our remote. So just hold these down and you can see the light flashing on the top of the remote. That's an indication it's pairing, and it looks like on the screen the pairing is successful. So now you can go up to notifications right here, and sometimes you might have some sort of update for your remote. So just look at that, and then we can clear out all these notifications. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.